Hi, senior parents. Good afternoon. I just wanted to share a couple little updates with you. My name is Carol Lill. I have your child in entrepreneurship honors class. I know this is not the senior year that you might have planned or hoped for your child, but I'm really hoping that we'll be able to get back and have a little bit more normalcy before the end of the year. At least that's what I'm holding out hope for. The kids have been doing a fantastic job. We don't do any kind of syllabus signing, anything like that, but I wanted to share with you today a couple things that are happening outside of our class if your child would like to take advantage of them. So let me just pull that up real quick so I can share a couple of those things with you. One of the initial extracurricular activities is our DECA program here at East High School. The students are going to receive more information about that next week and figure out if they want to join or not. They don't have to join, but if they would like to get involved, there are several different ways that they can get involved. So this document happens to be our syllabus. I'm going to include this in the message to you today. You're more than welcome to take a look at it, see the point of what we're doing, our topics covered, but really what I wanted to share with you today are some of our enrichment opportunities. So we've got a couple different things that we can offer to our students that we're very excited about. One of the first things is we're going to be working with an organization, a local organization called the Uncommon Individual Foundation, to bring speakers out to our class, whether Zoom or hopefully live in the future. One of the other things that they're going to offer, which is a super cool thing, is a little bit of a contest for a student that already has a business idea. And they actually get a chance to go through their incubator program and have basically like one-on-one tutoring to do that. So that's a phenomenal thing. More information will come on that soon. Junior Achievement is also an organization that offers an after-school program. I believe it probably is going to take place virtually this year, but if you have a child that is looking for some extracurricular type things to do, it could be something that they want to get involved with. As you see, as you go down through in the spring, we're going to get involved with the Westchester University Business Idea Competition. That is a high school only competition for high schools in Chester County. Due to the virus, the final pitch will happen on Tuesday night, and we're really proud to say probably for the fourth year in a row, we have a student that is in the final competition, and she actually happens to be a sophomore. So it's open to 9 through 12, all different ages of high school. We've got a couple other things here. The Learn to Earn program is the school district program where the students leave the month of May to do an internship or a job shadow. That Pennsylvania One-Stop Shop is really going to be for our students that already have a business idea. And then also through SCORE and the Chester County Library, we've got free workshops that the students can attend. Now that would completely be something that they would do on their own. That is not a class field trip or anything like that. And then the most recent new type of activity that I shared with the students, and again, they don't have to do any of these, it's just going to be for our students that have an interest in this, is a really cool program. It's an outreach program right now by an angel venture fund, and it is an hour-long interview podcast type thing hosted by Mark Kramer, who has authored several business books. So the link is right there. I've shared that with your students already. On the syllabus link, if you want to go on down through, you'll be able to see some of our grading stuff, a little bit more about DECA, and then also our DECA plan of action, and right down here, some of the new things that we're going to be doing this year in DECA to combat this stay-at-home situation. So that's all I had for you today. I'll be sharing more information soon about getting involved with the DECA program, and we have actually a Welcome to DECA night. We're going to do a live Zoom for any parents that want to get a little bit more information. If you're having any difficulty getting information out of your teenage child, I have no idea what that's about. But anyways, have a wonderful weekend. I hope everything is going well for you, and reach out to me anytime via email. I'm happy to email you back or give you a call and discuss anything. Thank you very much for your time.